Hi everybody, uh, this is Martin, and I hope that you're doing well. Uh, I will give here in this short video, a quick tip about a problem that we were having with the Bobcat T650. The problem was that it was cutting off, and sometimes was not willing to run because was starving for fuel, even the fuel filter was already replaced. The problem was that the hoses that bring the fuel from the tank to the fuel filter area, those hoses, they were routed underneath the engine, and underneath the engine is also the fuel tank. So the fuel tank was accumulated a lot of sand and dirt and trash, and all those debris, they were getting wet, and also at the same time getting harder, and little by little they were lifting a little bit the fuel hoses, to the point where the engine weight was smashing, making pressure on those hoses. One is the hose that fill the diesel to the fuel filter, and the other one is, I believe, is the return hose. The thing is that both of them, they were smashed, and was no traveling, nothing in there. So let me show you. To be able to have access to these hoses that we found that were the problem, you have to remove the AC compressor, and I'm showing you here the process that we follow it to be able to fix the situation. This is the bottom of the engine, and that is all the trash that we found between the engine and the fuel tank. Those are routed. Those hoses are routed in the front of the engine, uh, underneath where the AC compressor is located. So remember, you have to remove the AC compressor. And I have a last picture that we wanted to share with you guys, uh, where have I have the root of the hoses. Okay, down here you can see the diesel or fuel tank nozzle, and also you have the area where the alternator is located, and also the area where you put, I believe, is oil on the engine. So these hoses are routed here, right there. The one in the middle is the one that uh, is the line that is showing the path of those hoses. I hope that this video helped you, and enjoy your day. Thank you very much for watching the video, and remember, I am not a professional video recorder. I am not a professional YouTuber, so be patient with me and try to get the good thing about this video. Have a great day. Peace.